What's going on, guys? I'm Aaron with Old Oak Painting, and today we're going to be remodeling this laundry room. I've already started with the wallpaper. This is some pretty difficult wallpaper to work with. I've ever used this before. You pull it off and it's just got a sticky back. It's a giant sticker that you have to put on. You just have to go slow and be really careful. Took the sink and vanity out here. Took some old yellowed tile off the wall. We're going to be replacing that with a nice white subway tile. I'm going to be putting in a lot of shelving up on this wall here. We're basically going to be boxing in the washer dryer, 2 more shelves up there, painting that guy white, putting in the new vanity, which is right here, kind of continuing that blue with brass, not quite as dark as the desk, but you can tell the homeowner definitely likes their blue with brass. So as you saw, we need to patch some drywall for the subway tile. And what I chose to use here is this Go Board by Johns Manville. It's a pretty cool, pretty new product. It's basically a replacement for your cement board backer, fully waterproof. The coolest thing about this is just how lightweight it is. I mean, this stuff is super, super lightweight, really easy to work with. You just score it and snap it down and up and it'll pop right apart. Pretty cool stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, so I want to show you how I'm going to install this butcher block over top the washer dryer here. I've created these little slots on the shelving. Problem is the shelving is 16 inches and this block top is 25 inches. So it's going to stick out a bit further than the shelving. And you can see this is going to go on top here. These are pocket screwed into there. I'm going to screw down into this piece. And then for the front, because there's nothing really out there, I created these legs out of a 1x3 pine, which are also, pocket screws that are going to become a leg up under there. And then I created these little adjustable feet down below so I can adjust the height of the front of this. These legs are going to come down here and I can get it all nice and level. Okay, so that's all installed. Got the leg on. Had to adjust the foot a little bit. 2 pocket screws. Now you could just caulk over these holes, but what they also make are these little wooden dowels. Sorry, lighting in here isn't great. I'm just going to stick that up in there like that. I might have to just pound that in or sand it down, and then you can caulk over that. It's just going to save you a lot of time. All right, so everything, this just came out really nice. Like there. Everything is nice and level. Front to back. Got that shelf up. Should I put some braces on the underside, because it's, I'm 5'8", and my head comes to like right here. So when you look up, we've got 3 pocket screws there that I'll caulk. All this shelving is getting painted blue to match the walls and trimmed up next. And you don't even really see anything. A little bit of a nub up there, which I put a 45 on. Just a nice little touch. We're gonna go ahead and do the trim work now. Okay, so we got all the trim put together. Just need to shoot it in now. This can be a kind of a pain sometimes, getting this to line up. Now I'm working solo. I don't have someone else to hold the other end, These are pocket screws as well. Whoa. When I put them together, but it can be hard to kind of hold everything in place when you're trying to do it, and this is a really small room I'm working in. So if I put this whole thing together out in the other room and tried to bring it in, it wouldn't fit through the door. You wouldn't be able to upright it and everything. So it's a little bit of a trial and error. Had to do a little notch there. Fit the trim around, get up on that piece. And now we're going to shoot it into place. What's going on, everybody? So we just finished up the tile on the wall. I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so we got the vanity in. This is the shelving and the butcher block that I did. Okay, so there we have it. Some subway tile going up here. We still have to grout, still gonna have to caulk everything, seal everything. I wanted to show you guys what I'm using to also cut the tile. This little tile scoring device here, really handy. And what you do is, you measure your piece. I'll make like a little mark on it somewhere with my pencil. A marker would probably be better. You can kind of see that. And then it's got this centerpiece here. This is soft rubber and this is not. So when you push down on this device, it's going to sort of break it over this median. So you line up your piece here. See if I can film this. This is going to be difficult to film while I do, but you line it up. There's a little blade in the center, and you just make a couple passes. You score it here. I like to do 4 or 5 passes. And then you push it all the way forward. Let the plunger device sit down out there. And you just push down on it, on this little handle. Just give it a little bit of pressure. And it works pretty well. Don't look at my mess over there. All right, so we're back today to do some grouting. I've got my grout. I've got everything taped off here. Got my grout float, taped off the receptacles. About to start mixing some of it up. I got my wash bucket. Let's get to it. Okay, everybody, we're back today. The tile is finished up. I got everything masked and taped off. We're gonna go ahead and paint everything up today. We are all finished with this laundry room remodel. I will go ahead and put up a before photo for you now so you can see how things started and how they ended. Now I'm very happy with this one. I think the colors are awesome. You know, and if it's not everyone's, you know, slice of cake, that's fine. These are the colors that the client wanted in here. We had to do a color match for those cabinets with this vanity that was picked out by the client. There's that white subway tile there. The shelves we put in here. Little brass rod for hanging things. This awesome butcher block, which I just love it. She's not totally satisfied with the wood. We might end up painting the rim of this in the same navy blue, just to tie it in a little bit better. Now that up there is actually the same as the wall color, but because of the light, it kind of shines a little bit differently there. One's just got shadow on it. I think these cabinets with the brass pulls came out really, really nice. Okay, so that's the job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give it a like, thumbs up, or subscribe. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.